Hey superheroes, it's Mr. Harrell, and I want to just do a quick touch base on today's math lesson that you are going to do online and you will find on Seesaw, titled Friday, January 22nd, Independent Work, Math Multiplying by Powers of 10. Contained within this lesson, there are two different videos that you're going to watch that explain the concepts really well. So I'm not going to give you a third video to watch about that stuff. But I did want to give you a quick video to explain why the math that this teacher talks about makes sense. You already know that 2 times 3 equals 6. That means two groups of 3. And I think you know that 2 times 30, you don't have to make 30 loops and groups with 2 dots in each one. You can just take 2 times 3 to get 6 and then tack 1 0 onto it, which equals 60. Similarly, you know that there's a trick where if you take 2 times 300, you don't have to, nor do you have time to make 300 loops and groups with 2 dots in each one. You can just take 2 times 3, which equals 6, and tack 1, 2 zeros onto it to equal 600. But the point I want you to understand is that this is not magic that we're doing right here. There is a mathematical reason that this works. And that magical reason is place value. If you understand place value, then you can do math really easily. Let's back up to 2 times 3 again, only this time let's label it 3 dogs. What would 2 times 3 dogs equal? Logically, it would of course equal 6 dogs. The same way that 2 times 3 bananas would equal 6 bananas. The same way that 2 times 3 Mr. C's would equal 6 Mr. C's. It's a scary thought, but that's what it would equal. So let's now do the exact same math and take 2 times 3 tens. That would equal 6 tens. And what is 6 tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 2 times 3 tens equals 6 tens. And that is the same as writing 2 times 30 equals 60. See? 2 times 3 tens equals 6 tens, which is the same as 60. And the reason the same trick works for other place values, like the hundreds, is again not magic. 2 times 3 equals 6, and then 2 zeros tacked on is the same as just saying 2 times 3 hundreds. And to save space, I'm just going to say that equals 6 big H for hundreds. Same way that 2 times 3 thousands would equal 6 thousands. Or if we wrote that out, 2 times 3,000 equals 2 times 3, 6, and then 1, 2, 3 zeros. It's not a magic trick. It's simply using place value to make multiplication super easy. And knowing this simple but important understanding about place value will prepare you to do well at today's math lesson and access the videos that are within it. So watch the videos, do your best, and we will talk more about this next week.